Hi, welcome to a new episode of Project Brass. I'm Will, and today's video we're working again in k20 swap Peugeot 205, which is supported by ECU Master. In today's video we're going to do a bunch of sanding and painting the car, and yeah, that's all I have to say about it, so let's get started right away. So in this point in time we arrived at the point where we're going to sand the entire car, but that's boring as hell and I'm not going to film a lot of it. I already did the front bumper. Looks pretty good. I'm not going to fix that, and I'm not going to fix those guys because I couldn't be bothered. I'm going to do the hood and the fenders next, and I'll probably just and tailgate. The only thing I'm going to film is probably when I do the entire body. I'll just time lapse it because it's really boring to see people sand. So that's the plan. So check it out what I've done right now. I've actually sanded the front bumper again to do it actually a little bit better. I did the rear bumper, not too bad, and the tailgate. Oh my god, it looks already better than it did. It's a nasty, disgusting looking thing. It's actually now looking like a bit better piece. And I've also done the front fenders. This looks actually not too bad. And as you can see right now, it's dark outside and going home. I'm going to finish sanding the rest. Next up is the hood, and then probably the door with plastic, but I think I have to a little bit of a scuff up and they're going to be fine. And then I'm going to do the quarters, because the rear quarters, because they're all of course plastic, and the side skirts of course, and then the roof. And yeah, I guess that's about it. There's not much car left. The only thing that has to be sanded is metal, is the roof and the hood. Oh, it's actually quite nice. And hopefully, well, not hopefully, I'm going to put the painting in the same video. So yeah, things are looking great. Let's move on to the next thing. So I basically had Rudy over and we sanded the entire car. Except the doors, but it's not completely finished yet, but this thing is looking awesome. Oh ja, en de grill. De grill moet ook nog trouwens, maar goed, dat is niet zo belangrijk. But yeah, this is basically where we're at now. You see the tractor's away, so I'm going to take this thing out for a little test drive. Just across the street. And I think it's going to be cool. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to take this thing for a spin right now. First actual test drive. I don't have a place to put the camera inside of the car because there are no windows, except one, but that's not really fastened. I'm going to give the camera to Rudy. He's going to film me from the outside. Most importantly now, I want to test the brakes. If the brakes are good and everything, I won't be pretty happy. So yeah, I'm going to take it to Rudy right now. Kut, nou ja. Je kan omdraaien zeg maar, bij de boerenland inweggetje, zeg maar. Je hebt heel veel van die zeg maar, dat je het land op kan. Ja, daar hebben we een klein stukje. Aan het einde van denk ik kan je links en rechts omdraaien. Ja, dat is... Damn, that thing is awesome. So Rudy and I also both did a test drive with the car, and there's some serious problems with the steering and the alignment. It was actually shaking because we just found that the steering arms and the steering knuckles, one of them is not fastened properly. I thought I did, but we're going to tackle that later on. We now at least know what the problem is, and the alignment will be done by a professional, of course. So we're going to leave it up for now. Now we're going to get some splice and then do some more, a little bit more sanding, wet sanding, and then first painting. We're going to do the bumpers and all that stuff first, and the body probably later. So, good? Alright. So we tried to get some supplies, but the paint was not in stock, unfortunately, but we did get some wet sandpaper. So we're now wet sanding the car. Well, Rudy is, I'm not doing it because I suck at it, but he's doing a pretty good job. Oh. So we're actually a week later now, but I finally arrived at the point where we're going to paint. Good. I had to order this paint in. It's some ExxonMobil Mason CT top coat. Which of course it's white. Duh. And I got some thinner with it, and got some degreaser. Also got some vinyl gloves, or latex, or whatever these things are called. Yeah, and I'm going to use an electric paint gun. You know, these things you actually use them for, I don't know, do your walls in your house and stuff like that. But I've seen these things used before, and actually they're not that bad. So I decided to use it. It's cheap. Well, it's not mine. I borrowed it from Auke, but thanks Auke. So yeah, let's get started. Actually, I've got the setup over here. I'm going to use the rear bumper. I'm going to do that one first, because if this one is a bit iffy, that's alright. The rear bumper is junk anyway, so that's alright. So let's get started. First, clean this thing up, degrease it, and then paint it. So with all the degreasing and cleaning, this is the last pass, the after the wipe. This is all that came off of it. The rear bumper is ready to go painted. So this is going to be my first time painting with the electric gun like this. So let's give it a shot.
Okay, that was not what I had in mind. I think I did something very wrong. Let's test out.
So now it's the next day actually. all the other parts are painted. I'm going to show you that later on, but there they are. So I played a whole bunch of time actually masking it off, which I hate. It's an awful job, but it's absolutely necessary. So yeah, all I have to do now is take the mirrors off and clean it, and then I go paint it. Yeah, so I'm probably going to use this camera I use right now for a time lapse, and the other camera for I don't know, to use different angles. So yeah, watch and enjoy. And oh yeah, I'm not going to film the whole wiping it down and greasing it with that. You know how that works. So yeah, let's go. I'm so sorry guys, I messed up. The camera I'm filming now was empty. I put it on the charger and decided to film with the other camera, but that had an SD card in it that was almost full. So I only filmed the first bit, but man, look at the result behind me. Oh yes, I'm just finished. Oh my god, that looks so absolutely awesome. And for the people also into the PSA Peugeot game, they were like, yeah, of course it's going to be white. This is the color that everybody loves. Probably because of the T16. It is going to have also blue accent, just like the T16, only darker blue probably. But if you can see, there are some runs in it, a little bit, but this is the first time for me painting a car, and whatever, I'm happy how it sits right now. I'm going to do the front fenders, actually, show that. Front fenders. That didn't turn out too good. If you can see in the light, which I don't know you can, they are very like orange peely. And not really like that. I'm not going to do those again. And the front bumper is actually pretty damn good, except I missed a few spots where I can lay a little bit thicker. So I'm going to do that later on. And the rear bumper is a bit meh, but I don't know, who gives a damn about the rear bumper anyway. So this is the other one. Same orange peel. I don't know if you can, it's pretty difficult to see, I think, but yeah, it's pretty damn cool. So, again, I'm sorry that I screwed up with the GoPros. I'll show the footage. Well, I've probably shown the little bit of footage that I have in front of this clip, but I don't know, maybe, yeah, at least I'm so happy right now. Look at this. What? So, actually a big good result. I'm kind of happy, and yeah, and this will be the end of this video. And I hope you guys liked it. Like if you want to see more, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. The next one's going to be a good one anyways, because I want to put it all back together then. And see you then.
So, thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. And talking about more, you can click on one of these two videos to see some more from the channel. And yeah, I hope to see you next time. Later.